Krishna and I am from the 10th class. And my director sir, all the teachers and all the students, good morning. Me and my team here to discuss about the demerits of the One Nation One Election. One Nation One Election ensures tendency of voters that acute and high turnover of voters. Can I repeat this? Yes. One Nation One Election ensures high convention of voters, fatigue and convention of voters. Starting, first of all, I want to say that One Nation One Election is totally wrong for the nation because Atal Bihari Vajpayee and other politicians are close against to this.
This law is also implemented in 1952 to 1967, and there is a cost of 11 crores only in election. And in last 2019 Lok Sabha, there is a 60,000 crore expenditure.
You know that, but you don't know that about why it was stopped because it was stopped because there was a lack of confidence in the people as well as the on the time the parties were fell down. So that is why that was stopped and that is not an usual thing.
The main reason of failure of this law behind previously is our opposition. Opposition do not like the law which is passed by the government.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
I want to say that our opposition did not help in the development of India.
Who is your opposition?
Which party is not in governance? That party which is not in governance.
That party which is not in governance, that was the fault of not yours.
I am saying that opposition parties do not help the governance party to execute any law.
Can you repeat this?
Governance which law is implemented by the government, they had not help of opposition party to pass it.
I don't know a lot about that, but I know about that the opposition don't like to pass this rule. But I don't like to talk about. Can
If you are debating here, so you have to research about that topic.
so I have a lot of about all these things.
Okay,
What is the
you can carry on.
what is the literacy rate of India?
What is the role of literacy rate? One nation, one election.
You know about that?
What is the role of
You know about that?
no?
So
You have to speak about the topic, not about other topics which is not
it is
related.
not possible that one person know about all of the topic.
There are a limited time to research on
You are
it.
only asking the question. You are not ready.
I am asking the question. You are in the demerits of this law, so you have to answer this.
Okay, I want to ask. What do you want to say?
I want to say that if you are opposing this, so you have to give a mature reason for that.
Okay, what is the loss of this in our nation?
Law. You have to tell us laws. I am here to tell the advantages of this.
What is the advantage of this?
Advantage is this.
Money and the saved money also used in the economic growth.
How can you say that? How can you say that it will save the money and time? Check. Did you know how much time consuming in election? Yeah, without a one nation one election, it will take for one election 1 month. And 5 election will consume how many months? Approx 5 to 6 months.
Which is better? Which is better? Spending 5 months or spending 1 month?
1 month only.
1 month only. and that 4 month that 4 month carries the production.
If you are doing the voting for the 140 crore people, so you should don't prepare the voting counters as well as the facilities.
There is enough time of 1 to 2 months before the election, before the date of voting.
How can you say that? If one election is
Common sense, bro. This is common sense. Election committee has a rule. If we have held at the date of voting, then we have to give one to.
there is also rule that after the election of government state government and the Rajya Sabha, after that within 100 days you should do the local votes. So 100 days, 3 months, as well as after the election and before the election you should prepare. It takes approx 1 year. How can you say that? You should buy the EVM machine actually. According to our election minister, you should buy a 40 lakhs EVM machine extra for this, and that is how can you? It will affect our economy as well as logistical and economy. So how can you say that?
What is the rank of India in communist leadership?
I don't know about it, but approximately 4 to 5.
4 to 5. And what is the rank of Hungary?
Now you are coming on questions. You are debating.
Yes, I am debating that. You have to answer this. You have to answer this.
When I ask, so you tell.
You tell this. What is the rank of Hungary, South Africa, and Poland? This law is also implemented in that countries.
What is the relationship between
That law is also implemented at that countries, and they are living peacefully. There is not a worry about that.
this rules is also implemented in South Korea, and that is also so peaceful. You know,
That is the fault of leader. We have a choice to choose our leader. That we have a right of our
policy.
Australia's economy is higher than India.
Yeah,
Australia.
yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, they are living so peaceful life as well as they are living a so simple life.
Simple life.
And
You say that.
said that
Say it, bro.
नहीं पता नहीं.
नहीं पता. तो जब 5 सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर्स है नहीं, तो एक लीडर पूरे कंट्री को रन कर रहा है, तो ये सही बात नहीं है कि वो पूरी कंट्री को अच्छे से रन कर सके. और जैसे कि इसमें है, इस रूल में है कि लोकसभा और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के जो इलेक्शंस हैं, जो कई बार लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली को बीच में रद्द कर दिया जाता है, तो वहाँ से इलेक्शन होने पड़ते हैं. तो उसके बाद 5 साल तक उनको वेट करना पड़ता है. ऐसे हमारे जो ये पिछले इलेक्शन हुए थे, बिहार के हुए थे, यूपी के हुए थे, ये सारे इलेक्शन हुए थे. उसके बाद आज उसकी एग्जिट पोल है महाराष्ट्र और झारखंड की उसका इलेक्शन का. तो ये देखो कि उनका 5 साल का टेन्योर पहले खत्म हुआ बड़ा होगा.
तो अभी कितना हो रहा है ये बताओ.
मैंने बताया आपको 2019 में लोकसभा का जो इलेक्शन हुआ था उसमें 16,000 करोड़, 1-2 करोड़ नहीं है. 1957 में जब ये लॉ निकला था तब 11 करोड़ की एक्सपेंसेस थी, और इस बार 60,000 करोड़ की है.
60,000 करोड़.
हाँ.
मैंने भी आपको बताया कि पॉलिटिशियन खा रहे हैं या लोकसभा पार्टी मेंबर्स खा रहे हैं, और एक बीजेपी के इलेक्टोरल वोट खा रही है. इतने सारे आप उनको बच करा सकते हो. तब बोलो इलेक्शन ही खा रहे, पॉलिटिशियन खा रहे हैं.
एक मिनट, ये जो लॉ पहले 1957 में हुआ था वो कांग्रेस की सरकार में हुआ था.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि लास्ट टाइम अभी बीजेपी ने
आप बता सकते हो उस टाइम पैसे नहीं खाए गए थे?
उस टाइम भी तो खाए गए थे ना. आप कैसे बोल सकते हो पहले रिजल्ट खाए जा रहे हैं, या आप कैसे बोल सकते हो कि सिर्फ इलेक्शन जा रहे हैं? आप बता दो कहाँ बात हो रहे हैं. वो जो अकेले आते हैं, प्रचार में जाते हैं, ये सारे जो जब वाले इलेक्शन हो तो बैनर नहीं लगेंगे. बैनर नहीं लगेंगे, नहीं बैनर लगेंगे, एक टाइम लगेंगे.
15 मिनट.
एक टाइम पे सारे. आप बताओ, आपने ऑर्डर खाली कर देंगे. ये बताओ ऑर्डर खाली कर देंगे.
मैंने बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी बोला ही नहीं, बीएसएफ का नाम लिया.
अभी आपने
बीएसएफ
आपने पैरा कमांडो नहीं बोला.
मैंने पैरा कमांडो बोला, मैंने बीएसएफ का लिया. बाकी मिलिट्रीज का नाम
बीएसएफ ओनली पॉलिटिशियंस की सिक्योरिटी के लिए है, और भी अदर चीजों के लिए.
तो पॉलिटिशियंस की इलेक्शन की होता है पॉलिटिशियन के लिए, तो उनकी सिक्योरिटी के लिए बीएसएफ नहीं आएगी.
बोलो भाई जो
आपने बोला कि बीएसएफ जो होती है वो पॉलिटिशियंस के लिए होती है। यू डोंट नो, ठीक है? आपको पुलिस नहीं पता, सेंट्रल के पास कितने पुलिस है पता नहीं, ऐसे ही ऐसा भी आपको पता। ठीक है, मैं ऐसे सवाल पूछूं, इंडिया के पास कितने भाई? मैं इलेक्शन और इस पॉइंट से हट नहीं रहा हूँ, पॉइंट से हटने का नहीं। आप डिबेट कर रहे हो ना कि सवाल पूछ रहे हो। मैं डिबेट कर रहा हूँ, डिबेट क्या होता है? मैं आपसे कुछ पूछूंगा, आप उसके जवाब दो मुझे। और मेरे जितने क्वेश्चन थे आप बोल रहे कि मैंने आउट ऑफ द टॉपिक जाके बोला है।